Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's gonna be a bit of a weird one because, little update, I filmed 3 videos for the channel and I lost them all. I had to format my SD card and I didn't copy. I'm a bit hot as you can see if I'm doing, so I thought, yeah, but anyway. Yeah, I had to format my SD card, so I lost all 3 of those videos. One was obviously revealing this car. So it's probably gonna be a bit confusing, but I probably won't upload this until I've done the reveal video for this car. But, which is a Honda Civic Type R, but obviously you won't see this until the reveal video's out, so, yeah. But yeah, that was very annoying. I lost a bit of motivation. I haven't filmed a video in so long, and they were gonna be them videos. I turn down the music, because I can't open the door, and it's a bit hot on here. But today's video, I'm gonna be fitting a short shifter to the Civic Type R. I was gonna buy one off Tegor. If you know the website, obviously most people probably do, but I decided I wouldn't. I don't know why, because I'm being a cheapskate, and I decided to buy an eBay one. It was only like 25 quid, so if it's any good, I'll let you know. But if it's shit, I'll also let you know. But yeah, I mean, hang on, give me a second. Let's place you up here. So here it is. Already, I can see it's going to be really good quality because these are the fitting instructions. So yeah, and then in the kit you get, it's just a little bag, and all you get is, I think, 4 little solid shifter bushings, and I think the short shifter itself, I'm not really too sure. Like this, it doesn't feel too bad. I mean, I don't know. I'll have to read the instructions and see where this see where this actually goes, because I ain't got a Scooby. So yeah, is take this little cover off. It literally just pulls. What I did, I got my fingers in between here, and I just pulled and it popped out. And then you have, for your little cigarette lighter, a little clip that just pulls off, which is there. And then you have for your hazard button as well, which is there. So I'm just going to pull it out of the way, and I'm just going to pull that back and yeah, leave it like that. So what I think the instructions tell you to do, I think they're 4 12mm bolts. As you might be able to see, hang on, so a little zoom. That little black round thing is I think it's a rubber bush, and they replace them with the solid ones. And then I think this may go on like there or something, I'm not too sure, but I'll read the instructions, and when I figure it out, I'll get back to you. Hopefully I'm not too zoomed in, because I can't really see what I'm doing. Nah, it's not too bad, is it? And it also comes with an Allen key, so... Allen! So, yeah. But I have plenty of mods down here for the old Civic. New steering wheel. Got the old wrinkled black. I'm going to do my rocker cover gasket. Rocker cover. And then I have some more solid shifter bushings that go on the gearbox end, which I'll probably be another video. Also, car came with a free Type R badge, mate. What do you mean? Me. But yeah, there's little clips here that when you have a look on your one, they'll be on. Let's try and zoom it in. It's not focusing, but they'll be roughly around here on this clip here. So you pull the 2 little tabs here and here off, but make sure you don't lose them clips, because yeah, have fun finding them if you do. So I've pulled them off, they've just popped off, and then, yeah, I don't really know what else to do now. I'm going to have a little read. Should have a little read. Okay. So this bit, this has this little plastic cap. If I actually look at the camera and see what I'm actually recording, I've got to prise this little plastic cap off, and I think this replaces that. Okay. And then refit in reverse order. Okay. What I'll do now, I'll take out these, I think they're 12mm. Take out the 12mm and replace them, or add these spaces, I think. Not really too sure. I'll get back to you when I've figured it out. Ooh, I can confirm they are 12mm. That's my timer for the paint, because I'm also painting something, but let's stop that. Oh, that's my phone gone. So, of course it's hard one-handed. Come on! Yeah, my arms are not freckly, that is under seal. Because that was part of the videos that I have filmed. But I've lost them, so I've just carried on. I'm going to do it without filming. So do under here. Come on! Whew. See why it's a bit tight there? Yeah, Holmes? DOS. It would help if I actually film what I'm doing, but you know. It's on! Is it on? So if that wasn't tight or wasn't on. Get on there, you slag! No, that's, I'm gonna get a 12 spanner. Nothing in that. 12mm. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted. I just realised it makes a noise so I don't get copyrighted because music is on the background. Yeah. Please don't rain. Cough. Fuck off. Right, so I got all 4 of those bolts out. Now it was about, but this is a really good tool because it's trying to. It says to take this off, left hand side, little plastic cap off, but really good. So I'll get back to you when I've taken it off, I guess. Yeah. Yes. Bruh. This thing was an absolute pig. But it doesn't make it any better because this tool is shit. So I'm just hoping that the short shifter is not absolute crap. So if not, I'll just be buying the one off Tegor. So let's fit this onto. Well, I think this. It says it fits on there, but I don't know. Do you fit on there? Do you? Oh wait, I'm not even filming it. It says it fits on there. Is that gonna be right? Me no. I get back to when me no. I'm just gonna put that on like that. But make sure I'm gonna do it proper tight because I am gonna be banging gears in this car, let's be honest now. Like many second gears are gonna be snatched and this gear knob is gonna be in the back seat, so yeah. Okay, what I've done, the instructions tell you to this little plastic ball to go on the alley one. I just hit it on with a hammer because putting that on by hand would be literally impossible. I'm gonna put that back on, miss out the spaces, and hopefully it's good. If not, then fuck it off and put it in the bin. Waste of 25 quid. Mint. So I'm just gonna put this on like that. Bolt everything back up, and I'll tell you how it is. I'm really good at filming, by the way. So yeah, I'll put this back on and I'll tell you how it is when it's on. And now it's started to rain. Oh. If you have got sausage fingers like me, this is going to be hard for you. Like, look at my hands, man. But I got 3 out of 4 of the spaces in, but I dropped another one, so I'm going to have to go round. Just ignore this, I'm painting something. Go on the other side and hopefully I can find it again. Fingers crossed. I'll get back to you if I find it. Losing stuff is not fun. Got it though. Right, let's get this stuff back together. Gonna need, can I speak, eh? Me not have good English. I'm gonna need another Swede cut soon. So, yeah, that's exciting. Last one, boys and girls. Wish me luck. If I better not bloody drop it again, otherwise I will cry. There'll be real man tears today. Yeah, my hands are just a bit lovely. But yeah, I'm gonna do them. Take the rubber things out, put them ones in, and then call it a day. Hopefully it's mint. It's done. It's done. It's probably been about half an hour. You can't see it, but they are there. This one right here especially, every time I went to go put that bolt in, it's basically like, oh, I'm gonna go, whoop, straight for your hands. And it literally just ended up on the floor and honestly, I never want to ever do this again because it is crap. I hope, pray to the Lord that this short shifter is not crap. Please. Please. I still have to put these little things on. It's not going to be fun. But other than that, put back together. Snatch them second. Yeah, my hands are stinging now. They've got so many scratches on, but Honda. So there we have it, folks. I'll show them in a minute, but it's finally done. And it started raining as well, which is great. I should have put my car cover on, but I only brought the car cover because I didn't want any bird poo on the car and just sitting on there while the car's sitting while I'm waiting for some parts and stuff. Because, which I'll say in the other video, this car will be insured hopefully end of June time, which would be nice. God, my hands are red. I've probably said about my hands so many times. Probably can't really see it that much on camera. But they're a bit sore, but we move. But they're in. Solid shifter bushings are in. As you can see, the little clips like that. Oh, they're little clippy things. They're a bit of a pig to do, but actually feels really nice. So what I'll do, I'll plug everything back in. All it is literally the cigarette lighter and the hazard button, and then I'll have a little play with the stick and see how she feels. So it's all quite feels nice. Reverse. That feels good. That feels really good. It's just this shift knob is a bit crap because it's just spinning. Don't know if there's any way to tighten up or whatever. But yeah, mint. So I'm gonna call it here. That's gonna be to the end of today's video. Installing a short shifter on my ep3 Type R. So I mean, if it's helped you at all and if you've had some enjoyment out of it, then bonus. But if not, it's just a little video for the old channel. So yeah, I hope you guys and girls enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. See ya!